Under a minute to go before the start of race number 1, T-Mobile United States Sail Grand Prix Chicago at Navy Pier. Clear start! What a way to start things off.
SailGP, it's the fastest boats, the best sailors in the world.
We have boats on the water, we have cameras on the boats, we have data, we have helicopters, we have chase boats, everything's wireless.
Before the involvement of T-Mobile, we had real issues with latency and bandwidth.
SailGP needs low latency and high connectivity because we have to download over 300,000 data points per second all the way from Chicago to Great Britain. So T-Mobile deployed a 5G advanced network solution for SailGP.
The data is arriving to the production studio as quickly as possible with as little lag as possible.
We're not like a regular sport where you can paint the field like in football. We're on water, so we use augmented reality to picture what goes on the race course.
The data comes off the boat through the T-Mobile network, and then teams consume the data, metrics, and various analytics.
T-Mobile has provided by far the fastest solution that we've ever seen.
And we are on race number 1, Oracle Los Angeles Sail Grand Prix.
The partnership between SailGP and T-Mobile has been an evolution.
We started off with 5G. It's exceeded everything that we thought we could do. So now we've started putting devices on the athletes themselves, on the strategists, using 5G to get information about what's going on the race course.
It gives us a big advantage because it lets the strategists feed more information to the team, which is everything in these boats.
T-Mobile is helping us see that in real time and also make better decisions.
So with that, they asked us to expand. What else would you do here?
We go on board USA Sail GP, this shot courtesy of T-Mobile for Business.
This 5G camera is completely wireless, an ability to zoom, pan, tilt, and even use AI to track sailors as they attack across the hold.
More boats, more cameras, more data, and we're getting everything we need. It's incredible.
This is an unbelievable opportunity for T-Mobile to demonstrate what our 5G network can do.
We're only right at the beginning of this. To bring the spectator into the sport, to let them feel the action and the speed and watering your face.
I see the future of the partnership is that it's only going to get bigger.
Spain is the winner of the Oracle Los Angeles Sail Grand Prix.